Okay, here's the new and improved Bixler. First of all, this battery is dead, unfortunately, because it was left plugged into the charger. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you guys a couple of these batteries, which are bigger. They have about 1,000 more milliamps, so it'll give you longer flight times. Another thing I did was, so you can see one of the batteries in there right now. That's one of the batteries in there. It goes from here all the way to the nose in there. I've got Velcro all in there along the bottom, so the battery stays in there solid. The speed controller right here, that's also Velcroed in. It's got Velcro on the side. I also changed your plug. You used to have a plug that fit this, and it was this color, but I took that plug off and I replaced it with this one. I use these connectors a lot. That way, if I I use these connectors on these batteries. That way, if I want to, if you guys run out of batteries or something like that, I can give you some of mine. Got Velcro down in the bottom for the receiver. That's Velcroed in, kind of at an angle. I changed another thing too. I added a UBEC. That's a UBEC right there. The UBEC powers your receiver now. You used to have a UBC coming from your speed controller that powered your receiver, but that was a bad system because for a number of reasons, which I'm not going to get into. Basically, you can be in the air with your plane, and if your battery gets low, your receiver will actually shut off for a couple of seconds, and you don't want that. So I fixed that problem by adding a separate UBEC, 5-volt UBEC to power your receiver. Landing gear, as you can see, I locked that in. It basically encased that in balsa and super glued it in there really tight. So it's really tight now. Your whole fuselage will rip out before the landing gear rips out. So that's a much better design. Another thing I did was I also bent your wheel slightly so it tracks better on the ground now. You have to leave it at about that angle, and now it tracks straight when it's on the ground. Anyway, just ready for more flying. I took it out for 2 test flights today. It flew really great. I don't have any video of it, but I'm going to take it out tomorrow, get another couple test flights in it, and then the next time I come up there we'll fly it. Alright?